Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Gala Games.
Welcome to the Real Crypto Space, and this is not financial advice, and we'll be going through the coins that we, in our opinion, through research, think that will do very well within this bull run.
So just from looking on Coinmarketcap, if you look at the market cap, you can see how small this actually is, and it compares perfectly to the price that it is at. It's at almost 2 cents, sorry, and it's $138 million market cap, which is actually tiny. It's a very small cap coin. And if we look what's good here, we see in the past 24 hours there's been a 90% increase in the volume, which is extremely good. So there's some interest coming around Gala Games at the moment. So that's a big opportunity, as we can see here, for the price to start rising. And with this kind of market cap, then there's so much room for this to grow. And if we just have a look here at the price where it first started in September 2020, as we keep going, you can just see the volume just look at it starts shooting up around here. I look at this in the space of a month, it's gone to 100 million to a billion. See that? So that there's a and right now it's below a billion actually. So as you can see, there's a lot of room for it to grow just from looking at that there. So the all-time high was 2 months ago, and right now it is almost it's 40% down. So almost halfway. I'm not gonna say it again, but there's a lot of room to be had with this coin. I just want to make sure you guys understand that. So the best place according to Coinmarketcap to purchase Gala would be Uniswap. As you can see, the confidence is very high, and the volume of Gala on Uniswap is 30%, so 30% of the coins are on Uniswap. But then, if you want to look for one where most people are buying their Gala, because most people are buying their Gala from Bitrue, as you can see from the volume, there's $444,000 in Bitrue.
So Gala Games is something different that we've not really seen in this crypto space, and what we've noticed is every single thing that gets new, for example NFTs, ends up blowing as well. And with Gala Games, it's kind of like a gaming cryptocurrency. So it's something new that a lot of people want to move to, because every single time there's a new integration or a new project, many people get interested in and they always want to be part of it. So Gala Games is something that, people can start to think about, and it will be a viable investment. And if we go on the Coinmarketcap, as we can see, there's a lot of adoption, and every single day the adoption is growing. And previously it was around 87% increase in the volume. So every single day this is getting adopted. More people are realizing that this is something new that could potentially be listed on major exchanges like Binance or Qcoin, as these exchanges would bring a lot of publicity to the network. And the circulatory supply at the moment is it seems to be around 1/5 of the total supply. So as you can see, once they all get diluted and all get released, I can definitely see this coin going to crazy numbers. And if we just look at the Bitcoin dominance as well, it's decreasing, and it will allow these coins like Gala and the other coins that we've gone through, such as Shopping.io or ChainX, in order to outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum. So looking at Gala, it's kind of like a unique project, and with these unique projects, you can always think that there's going to be a lot of adoption within the short term. And because this is not financial advice, I can't be telling you guys to invest. But from the information that we've basically shown you, it's kind of something that is unique, and it's something that I would not personally miss out on. And yeah, I think once Bitcoin dominance goes to around 45%, 44%, we should see Gala and all these other altcoins start to surge in price. As of right now, we're just waiting and trying to find out which projects can be unique and which projects are needed. And as you can see, Gala is the only project that is doing its own thing. So I don't see why this coin can't do crazy numbers.
And just adding on to what Hamza said there, as you can see, they are a big role in NFTs, and they're also one of the first gaming coins. So the fact that they're first, what happens when the first one always does the best? This is definitely going to do very well. Like I believe in this coin a lot. So there's actually three ways you can get the Gala token. So you can actually own and operate your own node, which seems quite complicated. I've never actually done this. But it's basically Gala game nodes help to secure the Gala Games network. So as a node operator, you receive points on the daily distribution, which are items, and Gala, which have been added to your treasure chest and are awaiting minting. So it seems like it's to do with NFTs, and you also yeah. And then another way is by just joining the ecosystem. So you can earn a lot of Gala doing it this way, and it's also helping Gala Games grow their ecosystem. And you can also invite your friends, and you can play the Gala games as well. And then obviously the main way, which I'm assuming what most of you are doing, this is what we've done, is we bought from an exchange. I personally bought from Uniswap. So Gala is currently based on the Ethereum blockchain, so it uses ERC1155 standard. So this actually reduces the fees and makes it possible for a user to send multiple NFTs in the same transaction. So this is very good. So what most people would think if you see Ethereum, then you'll be like, oh no, it's going to be high gas fees. But as you can see, Gala have actually solved this problem. So any game developer can integrate Gala and NFTs into their games, allowing for stable long-term growth of the Gala ecosystem. So this is helping both parties by doing that.
As we can see, Gala nodes is not the only thing that it does. We've seen many cryptocurrencies incorporate nodes where it would allow you to stake the coin and earn rewards just by holding the coin, and it allows more people to join into the network, and it will cause obviously a surge in price when more people start to get involved. And as you can see, there's around 8,561,000 Gala nodes in distribution as of April 29th, and they've given out 11,245 points, which is very, very good. And at the moment, 8,409 members are online right now. And the good thing about this is anyone can get a node. Anyone can constantly be receiving rewards just from holding a coin. And if you want to learn more about this, you can go on the website and you can read more about how the Gala nodes actually work. And it's something that is very interesting. And because this is so new, it will allow more new institutions to develop on this project. So as of right now, we're still very early. The market cap is still small compared to the other big cryptos like Polkadot and Cardano. So we are still very early adopters to this coin. So as of right now, the roadmap is looking very nice for this coin, and because it's unique, we can't really go wrong, and it's something that is going to be incorporated a lot within the ecosystem.
So I would give this coin a 9 out of 10 because it's simply because it's one of its first, and the fundamentals of this coin are insane. The roadmap is insane. Just everything about what they're doing is insane. The fact they bring NFTs involved with it, letting all game developers integrate NFTs with their games. It's a really interesting coin, and you should definitely do some more research after watching this video. So yeah. So this is now the end of the video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, please make sure you press subscribe, like, and comment. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your day. Thank you very much for watching.